Hey there everybody, welcome back to Naga Halamak, where today I'm going to be starting a brand new series of HTML coding. And now, I have been willing to do this for quite a while, and it's probably one of the reasons why I haven't been recording for such a long time, is because I've been trying to learn it, and I know that it only took me a couple of weeks, but I also had other stuff to do above all of that. So then, as you can see, we are on the Code Avengers website, which is very cool. I've completed all the tasks, and I know that happens. So if we click down here, we can see that we can open on, it just says hi. It just says hi, okay. Probably hi from Code Avengers. But note, everything you put in here, for instance, stop causing that block-up problems. Hello. I say hello to you. Hello to you. Would you stop with the pop-up thing? Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Look. Why is that there? Hang on. Delete. Okay. I have no idea why that is happening. But never mind. Right, okay, so, no, everything that you put in here, for instance, that will appear on there. I know that's going to keep popping up and up and up. I might change some settings for the next video. Okay. And of course, will appear here. Now then, let's close that off. Now, what we want to do is we're going to create a Wikia page, a Wikitubia page for my channel. Now, if you want to do this off camera, then not off camera, but of doing it on other things, then for me, then that's fine. You can do that. But we're going to start off with our first tag, and that is H1. So all tags start with a less than and greater than sign. Is it the other way around? The other way around. I don't know. And then this H, and you can see it turns into a purple colour, and you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. I can't go 7, because that doesn't work. So we're going to do H1, and now start seeing without seeing a dot type first. Expected you to do dot type HTML, which we're going to do, and it's very simple. Doing opening and closing tags, not opening and closing, but tag openers and no, I don't know. Dot type HTML, and now see that should be that colour. That's what we want to do. That. So it turns into a kind of light grey. And now we're going to do a closing tag, which is /H1. Can't be H2, because it's not closing that tag, and it's not opening tag, so that's basically worthless. Now everything you put in here, since G is going to be big, so let's do the hello. That's our header, and if you click on here, it will appear. Naga Halamak. Oh yeah. So, so once you learn this, you can do anything. You can create something like Facebook, and make millions, billions even. But opening 3. Make it full. Oh, never mind. and I'm just gonna go through all of their header tags, the heading tags, sorry. So this is going to be a bit boring, just very quickly. So I'm going to do H3. So as you can see, it slowly gets smaller and smaller as you go along. Now I'm just going to finish this up. Cool. And then H5. Point orange. Closing tag for H5, and as you can see, the lower we go, the smaller it will get. And now I'm just going to experiment, just to prove my point about the header 7, the unexisting header 7. So if you look, we open this, see now do that, we can see that it gets big, not it goes very big, big, quite big, medium, quite small, and small. And now we're gonna do. Wait. Here we go. H7. So, okay, so that's good. Slash H7. Yeah. If you look. So there's definitely no H7. Okay, enough of that. We've got all of our headings down. So let's get rid of H. What the hell happened there? Like weird. So we seem to. What is going on? Look. Okay. Now mind. So we have a H1 tag, very big. And the H2 tag is quite. And now, something also worth mentioning is when I type welcome to the channel and if I try to do enter you'll see that when I press enter, it doesn't go down to a line. So we can do, I think it's either a slash, a break tag, like that, or it might be, okay, I was just wondering, because I've heard about that break tag, but I think it's a paragraph tag, and then goes that off, slash P. Very good. Now, if you look, welcome to the channel of Naga Hammer, and just for the effect, I'm going to do H3. And also another one is the underline, which is actually quite important, especially for your title. So, I'm going to quickly do that, which is the tag for you. And then to close it off so it doesn't go through all of them, bash you and it's underlined, you see? So I'm going to remove all of that and I'm going to underline this very, very swiftly here. There you go, and if you notice you have all of these red markers here. That's just to show you if we have a bug. Now then, this is it so far. It's not too shabby, yet not too good. You get what I mean? So we're going to have to spice this up a little in the next episode. Now, we're going to get into CSS a little bit later, but tomorrow I think what we're going to do is we're going to be doing paragraphing, more on the paragraphing, and images. So, I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.